Hi there! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to make the Bargello Wave Needlepoint Stitch, a decorative stitch used to create flowing and rhythmic wave-like patterns, adding movement and texture to any project. To start, secure the thread at the back of the canvas and bring the needle to the front at your chosen starting point. Make the first straight vertical stitch, skipping a set number of canvas holes. In this case, I'm skipping 3, but you can make it as long or short as you want. Next, make another parallel stitch exactly like the first one. For the next stitch, move one hole to the right and adjust the stitch height by one hole. This starts the gradual incline of the wave. Do this one more time, adjusting the height by one hole, and once again make another parallel stitch like the previous one. Then make the exact same process, but by adjusting the height upwards instead of downwards on the canvas. Repeat the wave sequence across your row, keeping each stitch aligned for a smooth, rhythmic pattern. To work the next row, stitch the pattern directly underneath, aligning the peaks and valleys for a continuous wave effect. Now it's time for compensation. Let's imagine that the area you want to fill ends here. In that case, you just keep stitching the same pattern, but always starting from the same row of canvas holes. This is how the stitch turns out if you stick to the same thread color and length. But you can add some variations to make it even more visually interesting, like we did here with a lighter blue thread and alternating the height of the stitches. So now you know how to make the Bargello Wave Needlepoint Stitch. A great stitch for water designs and to make backgrounds more textured and interesting. If you need some inspiration on where to use the Bargello Wave Stitch, check out our free stitch guides on our website. Happy stitching!